Hello students, welcome to class 5th in our revision session. Last we had activity about the sieved soil through the cotton piece and more fine components, micro components filtered from the clothes that we have observed. Dear students, I would like to inform you that this is our revision session. Second time I am revising the course after the once it is getting over. So please study well and write well. Next we will discuss about the filtered and leftover components for the first, second and third time. So think and says they have asked 3 questions to us. Which components are obtained after sieving the soil with the different sieve size? The answer is the big components remain. Can there be any other component present in the soil? Yes, of course. There are fine minute components are also added with the soil. How do the amounts of the different components affect the type of soil? Amounts of the different components of the type of the soil depend on the area wise soil separation. Black soil, sandy soil, yellow soil, red soil, likewise it is depending. Now one more activity is there we have to take one transparent plastic bag, transparent glass, spade, lump of soil and a thread. Dear students, very simple, I will explain you in a one sentence that the soil have a water base in it. This is the activity about that. So what will you have to do? At home you take a one lump of soil from the nearby farm. Don't collect from the street. And 1 feet depth you have just to dig out with the spade, and after taking keep 2 or 3 lumps into the transparent bag as it is showed and tighten the thread the mouth of that plastic bag and keep in the sunlight for some time. And afterwards what do you observe is that you will see that there are some droplets of water will be there in the plastic bag. It's observed that the soil have a humidity in it. This humidity is present under the layer of the soil. So this activity is very important for you, so you can do it at home also. Now activity 5. Take a one transparent glass or fill it with water, add a lump of soil to the glass, observe what happens. When we observe what happens, that you will see that the air bubbles are coming out. The soil is taking the water from the inside, what is remaining in the glass. The soil will started sucking the water inside in the transparent vessel. On the soil lump you can see the bubbles are coming out. When you dig out the soil you can obtain soil lump. With the soil lump you can obtain the microfine particles of the soil. Which organisms are found in the soil? That answer I have given. There are so many organisms we can find: leaves, feathers, pebbles, sand, fine clays, stones, clay, etc. we can find out. Which different components of soil can be seen separately? We can see lot of things separately if we sieve it. Sieving activity I have done already earlier. In the first paragraph of that lesson, that sieving activity is given there, and in that sieving activity you can see that biotic components and abiotic components we can see. What are the biotic components and what are the abiotic components, that I have already explained you, written in the PDF form and given to you. Marble, coal, graphite, diamond, gypsum, calcium, petroleum are obtained from the soil. Any such things obtained nearby you, then we can write down. In our next session we shall talk more about the biotic and abiotics points of the soil. Till then I remain. Thank you.